Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung Longast. Welcome to Asian at Home, and today I'm going to show you another Korean street toast recipe. Can I get a yes? Yes, okay. I think you said it. So this one is something that I actually growing up eating it. So this franchise restaurant called Issac Toast, known for their very signature Kiwi Sauce with this Korean street toast. So I'm gonna show you how to make their secret sauce without releasing their secret, but I'm releasing my secret. It's near same thing. So let's get started. In a 2-cup measuring cup, add 1 kiwi that peeled and cut into small pieces. Also, 1 small chunk of pineapple. Pineapple is completely optional, okay? I think it makes it better, but if you don't have pineapple, don't worry about it. Just make sure you have a kiwi though. 1/8 of yellow or white onion cut into small pieces. 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Highly recommend Asian mayonnaise, either Korean mayonnaise or Kiwi mayonnaise. 3 tablespoons of honey. Half teaspoon of salt. Blend it all together until nice and smooth with a hand blender. And that's it, secret release. This sauce is actually tastes so much better sitting in the refrigerator for about an hour or so, so the flavor combines together. The sauce is ready, so set aside. Let's slice some cabbage. Nice and thin as you can go, so it'll be easier to put on to the sandwich. Also, I'm going to slice gherkins into thin strips. If you have a sweet pickles already, go ahead and use that. But this sweet gherkins, it just hit the spot for this sandwich. In a small mixing bowl, crack 1 egg, season with pinch of salt, and to your liking, add 1 to 3 teaspoons of sweet corn, and beat the egg with the corn and salt, and we are ready to cook. So I'm using griddle because I have it, and actually we decided to make this video because as soon as we walk in this kitchen, Hanyul was like, ooh, this will be perfect to make Korean street toast in this griddle. That's why we are doing it right now. Butter your cooking surface. Place 2 slices of sandwich bread. You could use any bread that you have already in your pantry or your favorite bread, but in Korea, on a Korean street, we use plain old white bread. And that just tastes right for this recipe. I'm just letting you know. And next, we are going to cook the eggs. If you have this nice fancy cooking egg mold square, it's like perfect size as like same size as my bread. You can get this from Amazon. Hanyul actually got it from me. It's super easy to find. I will put the link down below where you can purchase, but you don't have to use this, but it makes it so perfect, the sandwich. Place sliced ham on a cooking surface as well. You notice I'm using square sliced ham too, not round. When you're flipping over the bread, make sure lift the bread, butter a little more, and then flip over. So both sides is nice and buttered. But if you really want true Korean toast to taste like, go ahead and use margarine instead of butter though, because margarine is what they use. Now, you have to be like your street vendor and really focus what's going on. Go ahead and spread about a tablespoon of kiwi sauce we made earlier on each bread, and remove the cooking mold from the egg and flip the egg. Place sliced American cheese on top of the egg. And yes, you can use whatever cheese you want and you have. I know how fancy you are that you don't even like American cheese, but hey, we love American cheese in Korea when we're making street food, okay? So, on top of the cheese, go ahead and place the ham. You know what this method do? Both of a hot ham and hot egg will melt the cheese. Oozy. I'm thinking there's a little science behind of all this method, okay? Place the gherkins on top of ham, and then shredded cabbage. Finally, top it with the other piece of toast. Of course, so side down, and we're done. OMG, isn't it so easy? Isn't it so fast? Isn't it so delicious? I will be making this, I think, like 3-4 days in a row, and Jacob and Hanyul have been keep killing it. I mean, including myself too, we've been keep killing it. and make it again and killing it, make it again. This has been our favorite breakfast last week. So we really enjoyed this sandwich so much. Hopefully you do as well. If you liked this Korean street toast recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and ideas of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching me today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longast, and this is Asian at Home. And I'll see you next time. Bye!